First time in the Bay of Bengal. Oh! Check out my pretty ass wife and the pretty ass hut. Hello and good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's 𝗥𝗶𝗱𝗶 again. I'm back again with another vlog. we are going Mr. and Mrs. 𝗥𝗶𝗱𝗶 heading towards Puducherry this time. The last ride which we did together was 𝗗𝗶𝗃, which was in October 2022, and after a very long time we are heading back on the road. So yeah, I'll see you on the road directly. Let's not waste time. We're supposed to leave at 5:30 and it's already 5:30 now. So 6.5 hours. We are first going towards Bommayapalayam, which is almost near Pondicherry, but near 𝗗𝗶𝗃𝗏 to be very specific. So yeah, let's head out. Getting ready scenes. We're all packed. Jack. Sorry, I can't put more weight than this. It's gonna be a proper endurance ride because this is end of summer and the heat's gonna be extreme. Babe, check all the doors once, no? By the way, it's our first time towards the Bay of Bengal. We've explored a lot of Arabian Sea, but this is the first time towards the Bay of Bengal or any part of the rightmost coast of India. All set? All set? Let's go. Let's head. Babe, keep a check on the bag once. Keep a check on the bag. We have just crossed 𝗏𝗏𝗏 and we are heading towards Hosur. My current aim is to try how much ever is possible in the first stretch and then stop, because I don't want to lose momentum. We have a lot of distance to cover and it will take a lot of time. Our aim is to at least reach there by 2:30 max. If we reach Bommayapalayam by evening, it will be a problem because we'll lose the whole day today. We could do some exploring in the evening today if we reach early. So that is the current plan. I hope it goes according to what's planned. Huh? How's the experience wearing new helmet? How's the experience wearing new helmet? Suffocating inside. Bye Karnataka. Karnataka Vandanagalu. Welcome to Tamil Nadu. Check out Mrs. Rock and Roll Rider. How's your ass condition? H, I guess. Yeah.
Lemon tree.
हाँ थे छोड़ में खड़ा रहता. Finally reached Lemon Tree House. Let's go check how the place is.
We are happy to welcome you to the beach.
Usually it must be there. It's too much.
No, he's here.
This year.
He's here. Usually the Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, Kerala is hot. We are always full of trees and plants. He's here. You know.
Later that same evening.
So we finally arrived at Karen's place, Lemon Tree House. Check out my pretty ass wife and the pretty ass hut. Fuck, hot here, man. Very, very hot. Despite there being a lot of trees and greenery everywhere, the weather is very, very unbearable. The kids sit out here as well. There were a lot of pets on the property. Dogs, cats, chicken. What happened to Jack? I have to get this fixed. Anyways, we are very hungry. We are heading out to go have lunch. There are a lot of cafes on the way, so we go grab some food. The location is very nice, but the weather is very, very horrible. Not the right time to come. Let us go explore bread and chocolate. The bread and sandwich place is just a place where they serve only veg food, so you know about me. I'm a pure non-vegetarian person, so I've come to a neighboring cafe called the Orojas. Yeah, so I want you guys to give valuable feedback about the specs. Please wear it and show to my subscribers.
Don't I look cool in this?
According to me, it's too big for her face, but what do you think?
It's cool.
According to me, it's too big for her face, but what do you guys think? Please tell me in the chat. Thank God all these cafes have AC inside, but outside it's around 27 degrees. The place is a very unique vibe, but the weather is messing up with the bag. It's messing it up really badly. I think during the winter time it'll be the best, right? It'll be cold outside. Not cold, it'll be cold, but pleasant weather.
Several days later.
My chicken bolognese has arrived. It's not chicken, it's beef. Sorry. Anti-national. Chicken bolognese. The food was just average. For the price they charged, it's not worth it at all. Basically, our expectations are too much, and these guys are not able to fulfill the food expectations.
Come on, it was not too much. It was basic.
It was what? What is basic?
Pasta expectation was very basic, but it looked like first time somebody had tried.
Yeah, first time. So now we are heading towards
YouTube recipe.
first time YouTube recipe. So now we are heading towards Auroville beach to check out the beach, because we've come so far for the coast and without the beach. Got the beach?
Blue hai pani.
Huh?
As blue hai pani.
Everything is so laid back and primitive here. I don't know, will it ever become like Goa or at least like Mangalore at least. I don't think so it's ever gonna happen, but selling fish, fried fish on the beach. People are taking photos. There are cops for some reason. There's a stall selling spring potato.
Paragliding, parasailing is a part.
Serenity Beach.